Hello everyone. Good evening to one and all present here. I'm Sandhya from MTT. Yeah. Okay. Participants, please mute yourself. Okay. I'm Sandhya from MTT. I will welcome all the participants on the Saturday evening to our webinar with a small quote. You are a mirror of yourself in others. Whatever you want to give, be the best reflection of yours. Said by Karin A. Bakrin. Now, I would like to introduce our platform, My Trusted Tutor. MTT is a marketplace for private tutors, school teachers, corporate trainers, academicians, educators, and all kind of education professionals. Our mission is to make quality education easily and affordably available to all. Currently, we MTT have conducted 80 plus webinars, and now we are in recruitment process as well for the post of teachers. So, along with MTT, I would like to introduce our speaker of the day, Nasin Parker, on the topic Ask Your Mirror. Um, our speaker, Nasin Parker, working in Swayam Siddhi Mitra Sangha Degree College, Bhiwandi, she has a rich experience of 15 years in teaching and administration field. She is also a certified performance coach and coaches people who stuck and unable to make decisions related to career, finance, relationship, and health. And she also coaches specifically teachers and educators to give them clarity in health in life and help to build a recession-free career. So now we came to an end for our introduction part. Now I will hand over the session to Nasin ma'am. Ma'am, over to you.
Thank you so much. Okay, sure.
Yes.
Yeah, before I go to the session, actually this is little bit interactive session, so I should know that who are over here. Like over here, Uma Mahesh. I request you to just introduce yourself.
Yes, I am Uma Mahesh. I have been in the education field for more than 4 decades. I've been heading the primary section of Little Angels High School. Now I am the consulting facilitator for the same school.
Great, great.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, here most of the videos are off, and I request all the participants to please put on your videos. It's very necessary. Yes, please, all of you. Roshan, Jaya, Gunasikaran, Delphi, Mamta, Jiva. See, you're here to know something, and unless and until you don't participate, it will be difficult for you all to learn something new. Dr. Sunita, please put on your video. All of you, I request everyone.
Hi, everybody. This is Jayashree Kadni. I've got about 35 to 40 years of experience in marketing and sales. Now I've taken up education consultancy as it is my passion. So I'm an education consultant with Proventus Education, wherein we handle career counseling right from 8th standard to maybe graduation, post-graduation. So this is basically, you can say, I'm trying to cover the masses, wherein students who are unable to get proper information about the future careers, I try and help them out. So this is my, what is it, you can say, a passion which I will continue.
Great, wonderful. Okay, Dr. Sunita, madam, please introduce in brief.
Hello, good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
Yeah, I'm Sunita Wadikar, former principal of a teacher training college.
Wow.
Yeah, and I'm presently into research. I'm a research guide too. So, yes, I guide research scholars and conduct vivas for them, associated with TAU, Textile American University, and MIT Pune, and do a bit of consultancy after my retirement. I've retired last year.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Yeah, yes. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, Mamta ji. Is there anyone who are means behind the scenes would like to introduce themselves? Like if they don't want to show their videos, don't want to show their beautiful faces, but still they want to be a part. Is
Can
there
I come in, ma'am?
Yeah, sure, Roshan. Yes.
My net is very unstable, ma'am. Sorry for that. But yeah, so good evening to you, ma'am. And I'm honored to be here. Sunita ma'am is here. I would like to tell her good evening as well. I don't know if she remembers me or not, but I have been a past member of the college. She was a principal with. I cleared B.Ed from there. So
Hello,
good evening,
Roshan.
Sunita. Hi.
Hello.
Yes,
how
good
are you?
evening, ma'am. It's so nice to see you. It's
Yeah,
wonderful.
pleasure. Pleasure
It's wonderful.
hearing you.
Yeah. So it's like it all comes in a circle. So yes, I'm very happy to be here. And yeah, I am a primary teacher with the Somaya school. Besides taking care of grade 1, 2, and 3, I also take life skills, which is what attracted me to the tutor program this evening. So yep, I'm waiting to listen more to you. Thank you.
Yeah, it is more about interacting than listening, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, definitely, ma'am.
Okay. So anyone within can describe within 1 minute that why you are here on this call, like why you took interest in today's call.
I like the
evening, ma'am.
title.
Yeah. Yes,
May I say
Sunita.
something, ma'am?
Yes, Sona. Sona, ma'am, please.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sorry for the network issues. I am Sona Karya from Rajkot. I teach in primary section in the Rajkumar College.
Okay.
And I just wanted, I like the heading that was catchy. I want to know what I am.
Absolutely. You will come to know what you are, but you will just know the glimpse now. And later on, maybe you might be thinking about deep inside that what actually you are. Then too. So you came here just to know who you are. That's true. We don't know, isn't it? See, we often go to the mirror and many things come to our mind. You might have heard about earlier also, one lady used to go to mirror and ask her, mirror, mirror, tell me who is the most intelligent person in the world, isn't it? Or most beautiful person in the world. Mirror said you, isn't it? So what does your mirror say? When you go and stand in front of the mirror, what does your mirror say, or what do you see in yours? Anyone who are really interested to share, or I have to pick anyone? Yes, Jaya ji. Yeah, Sona ji. Boliye.
I am love and compassion.
Okay.
And I am happiness and smile.
Okay. Yes, Leena ji, what your mirror say, or what you see in the mirror?
I feel I'm the most loving teacher.
Okay, lovely. Okay, we'll go one by one. You should have your book with you, book and pen. Maybe you might be noting some points, important points, and an activity also. Before going further, this is the brief introduction about myself. At present, I am the head of Commerce Department at Swam Siddhi Degree College. Already, I am introduced earlier. So I have been in the field of teaching and administration both. I was the principal also. And later on, I just move ahead that I have not limited myself. I learn a lot, and every time I just, I'm into it. Recently, not like 3 months before I became the certified performance coach. This was a twist in my life. I can say that pandemic has changed me a lot. What I was before pandemic was very different now, Sheen, and what I am today is very, very, very different. So the transformation took place when the pandemic started, and I don't know what should I do, and many things were going around in my house, you can say, in my life, you can say. Many things disturbed because my job was about to lose, because as all know, many are facing the same situation, and there were disturbance in my family, and we were all stuck at home, and 3 to 4 months were just like hell. But in that hell, I find my paradise. And since then, just I decided that if I can get transform myself, I'll just make this as my profession and to transform others also and make changes in others people's life. This is now on a mission like I want to coach those who are stuck and unable to take decisions, as well as my main focus is on the educators, as I belong to the education, my education family, you can say. I love teaching. Teaching is my passion, and I have gratitude towards teachers also. So I specially coach educators, like to build their recession-free career. Because in this pandemic, we had learned a lot. We have to be more extra than what we are, isn't it? Not only being a teacher, we have to be more extraordinary what we are. So moving ahead, now here my email address and contact number is also given. If you want to contact me, you can contact me directly on this number. My LinkedIn profile is also shared over here. You can just have a click of this. You can get connect with me. So moving ahead, now here again, in all these slides, it is not like a seminar, it is not like a presentation, but it is just like an interactive session. And from there only you can come to know that who you are and what you want to do next. Okay, now here all are very fine teachers, I believe everyone, and definitely they are. So I want the answers, at least 2-3 of them can answer later on, means the others can even guess that what could be the answer. Okay, who can just give me what you see in this and what you think about this? Please, you can unmute yourself. This is a very interactive session and you need to interact. If you want to grow, if you want to know yourself, you need to interact.
This is mirror formula you displayed.
Okay, what is it? Lina ji?
It's a formula for image formation through a mirror, through a plane mirror.
Okay.
From physics point of view, we see.
Okay. Okay.
So where I is the size of the image, hi, height, and v is the distance of the image from the source of light. U is the distance of the object from the source of light. F is the focal length.
Okay. So this is the formula you say. This is somewhat like looking like formula. Like for you're a physics teacher, so definitely you are dealing with lots of formulas, no doubt. What about those who are not dealing? What about those who are not dealing with any kind of formulas? Is there anyone who is not mathematical, who is not physics background? Is there anyone?
Yes, I am an English teacher, but to me also it appears like a formula of physics only.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So you go with physics, like, okay. And
Yes.
who else? And who else would like to say something on this? Let your brain work quickly. Yes, Jaya ji.
Yes, but I'm not a physics teacher.
Acha, acha.
And I did not introduce in case if you wish me to introduce myself. I'm Dr. Jaya Parekh, and I'm the principal of an international school in Mumbai. My subject is chemistry.
Great.
Thank you.
Great.
Yeah.
Okay.
May I try?
Yes. Yes, yes, Bhavna. Yes.
Yes,
Bhavna ji,
it's like
please.
drawing or with different figures.
Okay. Okay.
For
Fine.
me, it's a colorful.
And who else?
For me,
Yes, Jaya.
ma'am? Madam, may I say something?
Yeah. First, let Jayashree madam say something.
Yeah.
She's about to say.
Yeah, for me, it's a colorful, different numbers and alphabets on a black background. So that's
Okay.
what, because I am an arts graduate with a post-graduation in MBA. So this is all something new to me.
Okay. 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 Who else want to say? Bhavna? Do you?
May I try, ma'am?
Yes, sure, sure. Yes, sure.
Though this is not my subject, I take English from class nursery to class 2, but
No
still I
matter.
would like to just give my view. I want to correlate it with this Zoom meet. Something object diminished, I can see written distance from the object and this. if we are not interacting with each other. That impact will not come. I'm correlating it with this Zoom meet actually. So interaction is must, and the object diminished just as the object distance and the object matters. In the same way, the interaction when the receiver and the giver, they both are not interacting with each other, then the results will be not that fine.
Okay. So why we use formula?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Sona here.
Yes,
I
Sona.
teach English.
Okay.
So apparently it looks like some mathematical formulas, but as you said, I try to observe it from a different perspective. I feel that it can tell something about life.
Absolutely.
There can be ups and downs in
we
life.
Can
like
go. Yes.
Like in the first formula, we and you, in the last, we can see both have come down. So there can be ups and downs in life. Double-sided arrows can tell us that you will have a past, you have a future, but how to focus and reach that curved mark, white mark. So these all some things you can omit where they have done some cancellations, and what to focus on that this formula can teach us.
Very good, Sona. Most of the answers you had given. So this is what, like, why we use formula. We use formula to get some kind of results, isn't it? Whoever the mathematicals or physics teachers, you are using the formula because you want to get some kind of results, isn't it? If in your formula, if any one of this is missing, will you get the result?
No.
Will you get the result? You won't get it, isn't it? So that means even our life also have some kind of formula. If we don't apply those formula, our things will go up, down, everything. It happens. Hota hai. And when later on we think, Arey, why this happened? Why is it so? And we don't realize that, isn't it? We don't realize what went wrong. So that we need to focus on, that where we are going wrong. So life also has some formula. Like in the next, do you smile when you look into the mirror? Like when you have some kind of feelings, your mirror says something. Like in the mirror, you look great, you look good, you look beautiful, you look handsome. But are you happy from within? Have you ever questioned yourself to the mirror? So how you look? Do you smile when you look into the mirror? Are there many of them, those who are doing this? Asha ji?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
आप मैम मत बोलिए, आप मुझे नौशीन बोलेंगे चलेगा.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes,
ma'am मत
Nौशीन,
बोलिए, because here I am a coach over here.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, when I look into the mirror, I ask, how was your day? I ask myself. And I ask, I feel that mirror is saying, you are perfectly all right. Bas, keep
What
it up.
else you ask to the mirror? What else you ask?
What improvement I need? Just tell me how to tell.
No matter, no problem. Yes, anyone would like to try? Bhavna ji?
Mirror always show us not only the outside of our not impression, but the inside also. We need to go inside, not only outside.
So your mirror say you inside also? Do you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you explain? Can you explain?
See, I am a teacher. Sometimes, I just go mad out with my teachers, colleagues rather. So then again, when I see the mirror, if I am wrong, it always tells us you are wrong. You should not do and say sorry to them.
So you get your answer from your mirror?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the very first thing I think that you get answer from your mirror. Your mirror say that you are wrong.
Because mirror is our soul, what I think.
Yeah, but do your inner soul always tell you where you are wrong?
Yes, ma'am. 99% it does.
Do you accept it?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Okay.
I'm very frank. I can say that yes, sometimes I don't because, you know, in anger, sometimes I just don't believe it. What my inner soul is saying. Sometimes it happens, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, Jayashree ma'am, what are your inner views?
Hi. For me, a mirror is first thing when you get up in the morning. Whenever you see your reflection, I always smile.
Yeah.
To begin the day with a smile.
Yeah.
And then maybe again in the evening when you're trying to, especially now in the pandemic, you want to look your best. So mirror is the best, you can say, companion, wherein you can share your emotions with, and then you can speak to the mirror in case you feel alone and lonely. And at the end of the day, you thank the mirror for being your companion and being a part of your life. That is what I think about myself.
Do you practically do this?
Yes, I do that.
Okay. So can you share any one example? Like what you said is what general, but any one example which solve?
Yeah, for example, see when, especially in this pandemic, wherein you're in touch with your friends, maybe on the phone, on WhatsApp, that's a big, you can say, relief for most of us. But at times you find that, okay, when you're alone and you feel a little bit lonely, that's the time you have something which is there in your house wherein you can talk to and speak and you have a friend in your house. That's what I consider it.
Like if you have a friend in your, like you say, you go and talk to the mirror. You said the mirror is your friend.
Yeah.
One thing I want to tell, ma'am.
Yeah,
one
sure.
thing.
Yeah.
Whenever I look into the mirror, I feel that when I see the materialistic world, I see there's so fake things in the world. But mirror, you are the best. You give me the true expression. Whenever I'm angry, you give me that angry expression only. When I'm happy, you give me that expression. That you give me a true feeling just as a mirror. We are inner soul also, and our deeds. The combination between these two should be just as a mirror. Whatever, crystal clear. I mean, crystal clear. It should be just like a mirror.
You know what? What you said. Okay, I agree with that, and even I agree with the Jayashree ma'am. Like, what I'm expecting is, leave what you are. Whether you are a principal, whether you are the management, whether you are the teacher, just leave behind and be honest with yourself. Like if you are trying that I can't say this in front of this, you have to accept means what you are and what you feel. Unless you come out of yourself, you can't realize that who you are, where are you going, where you are making mistakes, where change is needed. See, we teachers, what we think, we know everything, we are expert, isn't it? But somewhere we need to know that who we are exactly. Why? Because if we don't know, if we don't come out of that, what we had built up, so we can't be that kind of teacher. You know, there is lot to learn. Like what I was before and what I am right now. I think I was just wearing a mask. Mask that a teacher is all-rounder. I know everything. I'm perfect in everything and I can handle everything. I was the principal also for 5-6 years. The situations came in my life that I went into depression also. I came out of the depression. So many things went in my life. So we need to learn somewhere why this happens, why, what things are going on wrong. If I'm on such a big position, so why I'm not happy? What things are going wrong in my life? We need to focus on that. And it is very necessary. Unless and until you don't solve that, you don't resolve it, you won't have that kind of happiness in your life. That happiness should be from within. Happiness should not be only on your face. That happiness should be from your within. So ask yourself whether you are really, really, really very happy from your within side. If you are, then I salute you. So here I want some kind of, honesty. If you are honest, then only your real you will come out. Your real Jayashree will come out, real Asha will come out, real Bhavna will come out, real Sona will come out.
Ma'am, may I say something?
Sure. Most welcome.
Yes, ma'am. What I feel most of the time when I talk to someone, when I listen to someone, I just feel that how can I help them? So a few things I have learned and am learning. So I feel that if I create that positivity inside, if I am grateful, gratitude has taught me many things. So you feel contented and peaceful, and I wish to spread that peace, happiness, and positivity to who all I meet. So I try to practice that most of the times of the day, though we become angry at times, but immediately that change has come that I am able to switch to positivity and see the other perspective of the whole situation.
Very good. Wonderful. If you are feeling gratitude, that's wonderful, wonderful. And that should be. Yes. The very next slide. Now it is your mirror. Okay. Now here you have to think from the third person's perspective. Now actually you will come to know. Now here no goody words. He will say me like that. Okay. Fine. Now if like from the management perspective, if management says, so what according to your management, what you are good at, or what comes to you easily and naturally, what help would you ask that person? And if I were a product, what would I be and why? So you have to think accordingly from the whose perspective, your management, then your principal or head, then your colleague, then your student, and then even your family member. I'll ask randomly to anyone. Okay. So Bhavna, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. From a family member, okay, a family member, whoever your whoever is in your family, from their point of view, what are you good at?
I'm good at cooking.
Okay, so you came to know that you are good at cooking, yes.
Okay, and I'm very helpful to everyone. What they feel.
Okay, very good. And if you were a product, what would you be and why? For your family member.
Okay. I need to think, ma'am.
Absolutely, you need to think that then only you will come to know who you are. Okay.
Actually, ma'am, as a product, if you say, I mean, which way you want to, I am not understanding actually what the thing I should tell you.
Yes, here only your brainstorming is needed. Now, if I help you, that help is not at all. Coach never help. Coach never help. Yeah, Jayashree madam, if you were a product, so whatever you want to choose among this, you can choose. But I want to know that if you were a product, what would you be?
If I was a product, I would be the, you can say, to talk in broader terms, I would be the breakfast.
You would be
a breakfast.
Okay. Okay.
That's the beginning of the day. So I'm the breakfast of the family.
Okay. Okay. Okay, fine. I accept it.
Okay. And what else?
And according to your family member, like you had given the example of your family member. Okay, give one more example from your work area.
Okay. If you take a management or business partner, that one. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Anything.
I would be a very good, you can say, listener.
Okay. You are very good listener. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Kamran, you are back, I think. Now prayer is over almost.
Yes, please.
Yes. Now you have to answer as you had come with the reference, so you should know that what exactly. Okay, Kamran, can you please tell me that according to your family member, what type of product you are?
From my family perspective, I'm a truthful guy. And you know,
Product. I want only a
no,
product name.
first of all, I want to portray myself, like what my family
Okay.
believe in me.
Okay.
And so, like, they just believe me. I'm a truthful guy. If someone say, Kamran say truth, I mean to say lie, he lied. My family member never believe in them.
Okay.
So come to the product.
Yes.
Product, like, could you define what sense of product you are Yani, asking?
I can't define.
I give you an example.
I will give you my what I am a product in the end when I get good answers.
Ma'am,
probably I'll be the book.
Everyone has to do this work. You are not supposed to just watch. You have to write it down completely.
I've written,
I'll be the book.
I've written, ma'am. Asha has written.
No. Probably
Kamran.
I will be the book.
Okay.
Yes.
Asha has written, ma'am.
People must read or take from me, and they learn from me.
Okay.
Because I just try to become a role model in my family, in my career, and in my life, actually, in my friendship. So all my friends, I just want to be a book so that people see in me. That's what I just, whenever I see mirror, I just introspect myself. I just try to correct myself. And that's what I appear to be a decent guy. And when I see in the mirror, I must compare my appearance as well as my inner soul. Like I'm dressing up very well, but I'm not doing well. That means that my mirror show me the real face. You are appearing very good, but you are not good.
That's it.
So this is how I want to become a book. If I'm being
Okay. So yes, who else was waiting? Like Farah, I think.
Can I comment, ma'am?
Yes. I just gave my answer.
Yeah, sure.
Either be a pillow,
answer, ma'am.
like either I'll be a pillow or a laptop, because I'm a techno savvy. So laptop, I think, would be fruitful to the family. And then pillow, giving them that coziness to my children and just being with them when they need me, providing a good shoulder, something like that.
Okay, very good. Now I want the answer from the student perspective. You know, what student think about you? It's very necessary. We think student are like this, like that, bad, achhe, bure, and we all say like student. But what student think about you?
Ma'am, my students, they asked me, why didn't you come yesterday? We didn't like. Why were you absent yesterday? Especially the small nursery kids.
Okay.
Nursery kids. I teach nursery KG 1, 2. Nursery and KG classes are those classes. They miss me a lot.
So what type of product? So what type of product you are for your nursery kids?
For my nursery kids, I did not compare it with I've not written according to that perspective.
You have to write.
According to
you have to write from everyone points of view. Everyone.
Okay. So I have written a mobile, but that doesn't go with the nursery kids actually.
No,
for
you
the
have
nursery kids.
Like if your nursery kids are, they love you a lot. They find.
So for them, the educational games, they love a lot.
Okay.
I would like to be in educational games.
Okay.
They would love me to play. They would love me to carry with themselves and just playing all the time.
Okay.
Good evening, everybody. Can I share my viewpoint, please? Shama here.
Who's this?
I'm
can
Shama.
I do that? Shama. Okay, sure. See, all of you have only 10 seconds to share your views. One
Yes.
thing.
I'll be quick. I understand that everybody needs to get a chance. I actually am having my tiffin with my daughter. So I asked her to define me. So she said I'm like a television, full of drama, fun, and everything. And
so you got your answer from your. No, you have to think over here by yourself. No.
No, I do. I do agree with what she said because house is very quiet when I'm not around. So I'm like a television probably.
Yeah, sure. But this answer should come from you.
No, I agree with what she said. I agree with what she said.
Absolutely.
Can I come in, ma'am?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, so for the product, when you mentioned, it just came on top of my mind, and I think I am also a moisturizing lotion.
Oh.
The reason is it's used anytime, anywhere, any climate. It's very helpful, be it a cracked skin or be it something to glow. And the reason is I'm a helpful person by nature. So be it my peers, be it my superiors, or be it my co-workers, I think they will vouch for me that I am a helpful person, and the children too. Should there be a doubt or something, so they definitely come up to me and speak their mind. So helpful is one tick that I think I would gather most. And the product I think would be a moisturizing lotion, which is very useful, you know.
Wonderful. Okay, so now finally I want to share mine. When I did first, so I, with a family member, I think, that time I thought that I'm an umbrella for them. Like umbrella, it protects. So for me, I thought my family might be thinking me like an umbrella. Nausheen is always protecting us. So that was my point of view. But here we are I'm here to know you and you to know yourself. So without wasting time, we'll move ahead. Your success profile. This is very important. What I am telling, come out of your couch and show your real you, like your areas of expertise, your greatest achievement, then you helped your friends with, your learning experiences, your dreams and your fears. Now here I'll be asking randomly anyone, and by that time everyone should do this activity. This is very important activities because here you will actually know where you are going, if you are going in the right direction, if you need some kind of help, if you need to focus on something. So here you will come to know that where you are lacking behind and where you have to move on. So I'll ask without wasting time, Shama, are you there? Shama?
Yeah, I'm very much.
Okay, Shama, what are your dreams?
My dream is to become a more amateur.
I can't hear you.
My dream is actually, I'm a trainer actually. So I want to specialize in that field, and I want everybody to recognize me as a good teacher trainer.
So what is stopping you?
Yeah, maybe few of the resources and the coronavirus actually, little bit. I'm doing it online, but I'm not able to reach many of them. So probably that is an hindrance for me to reach my dream.
Is it? I don't think so. You have to overcome your fear if you want to achieve your dream. And the process, you have to manage it, because unless and until you don't invest on yourself, you're not going to achieve your dreams.
Yeah, I agree with you.
Exactly. Yeah, Roshan.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, don't tell me ma'am, tell me Nausheen. I'm fine with that.
Yes, okay. Your question is?
Yeah, what are your dreams? Your Roshan dream.
My dream is to be, like I started by telling you, to be a helpful person and to stay that way itself. But yes, definitely make, even an iota of a difference in my students' life. So then when the students grow up, I don't want to become a legend, but I just want them to tell me like, yes, you touched me in some way, some form. And I am a better individual because of the teachings that I got from you, because I take life skills in the lower grades. So that's the tender age when they, know what is right from wrong. Let's put it for that word. So if I have been able to create a difference in the life of a child, I think.
Is it a dream?
Definitely, because it's just a process. Dream would be something, you're looking forward to, that one day it will materialize. Eventually the student will come back like, how we used to grow up and, remember our teachers. My teacher made that difference in my life by teaching me this, that, and the other, whatever. So like creating a difference in a student's life.
Okay. So is there, if it is a dream, then it needs to be fulfilled, isn't it?
Yes, it definitely needs to be fulfilled, and I think it's a work in progress. I mean, dream is something which you wait for, but having said that, you know, day to day, what I interact with them, and if I find that definitely it's taking roots in their mind, you know, through their behavior or through mannerisms, whatever the Zoom offers us. So,
if
you know,
it is already achieved, Roshan, if it is already achieved and you are achieving, then that is not a dream.
Okay, so something else which comes to my mind.
Yes, you want to achieve that, and due to something like that is hindering you. So I want to know that dream.
Then that would be like I would like to write someday. You know, I write in the sense not a novel or something, but just like maybe a non-fictional or a fictional, you know, story about myself.
Okay.
Like my journey, let's say.
You want to write?
Yeah, I do.
What is it stopping you?
No, nothing is stopping me as such. I dabble here and there, but I'm not consistent that way.
Why you are not consistent?
I need to be consistent because I don't know, I'm not giving my 100% to it.
Why you are not giving your 100%?
I don't know. I'm stopping myself. That's the thing I can
Why are you stopping yourself to live your dream? Why are you stopping yourself?
I have to work on it, I guess. So I don't know. I'm like a work in progress. So someday I shouldn't be someday. It should be like tomorrow. I should be able to, you know, achieve the things that I'm looking for. Maybe right. And like it said rightly, if you don't begin today, you'll never begin, right? So yeah, so the only thing that's stopping me is me, nobody else.
Yes, that's it. We ourselves, we stop from many things, isn't it?
Right.
Very good. I'm really very thankful to you to be very honest with this. I like that. Okay, Sarita ji, you didn't spoke since long time. I want to know, what are your dreams? Can't hear you. Unmute yourself.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. Ma'am, I want to explain in Hindi. So can I?
बोलिए बिंदास.
Yes, ma'am. First, I'm sorry, ma'am. आपने जब भी मेरा इंट्रोडक्शन पूछा तो मैंने आपको हाफ ही बताया. I am from Mumbai. मैं मुंबई में दोस्ती फाउंडेशन स्कूल है, वहाँ पे मैं जॉब करती हूँ. Yeah, I am a teacher and I am a Hindi teacher. Okay. तो मैंने मैम हैंडलिंग किया है फर्स्ट टू इवन पीजी क्लास से लेके 8th स्टैंडर्ड तक बच्चों को मैंने हैंडल किया है. एंड मेरे पास 15-16 इयर्स का एक्सपीरियंस है बच्चों को टीचिंग में. ओके मैम, एक्चुअली आपका फर्स्ट जो क्वेश्चन था, आपका जो सेशन है मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. आपने जो शुरुआत की थी मिरर से, यस, आपने मुझे एक्चुअली चांस नहीं दिया था, आपने मेरा नेम नहीं लिया, इसलिए मैंने थोड़ा इंटरप्ट नहीं किया बीच में. मैम, मिरर रियल में बहुत ही हमें हेल्पफुल करता है. मेरे पास इसका एग्जाम्पल भी है, क्योंकि बहुत बार मैंने ये देखा कि हम जब बोलते हैं तो सामने वाले को हमारी बातें अच्छी नहीं लगती है, बट वो हमारे में क्या प्रॉब्लम है, क्या हमारे फेशियल एक्सपीरियंस क्या होते हैं, क्यों सामने वाले को हमारी बातें क्यों अच्छी नहीं लगती है.
बिल्कुल.
जब हम मिरर के सामने खड़े होकर जब हम अपने आप से बातें करते हैं तो हमें पता चलता है कि हम बोलते वक्त हमारे फेशियल एक्सपीरियंस क्या होते हैं, क्यों सामने वाले को या हमारी आवाज में, या क्योंकि हम तब अपने आप से बात करते हैं. हमारे सामने हमारा फेस ना होने के कारण हमें हमारी गलतियां पता नहीं चलती है, जो मिरर हमें हमारी गलतियां बताता है.
लेकिन मिरर बहुत सारी चीजें नहीं बताता आपको. आपको वो ढूंढनी पड़ेगी, वो चीजें आपको ढूंढनी पड़ेगी.
यस, मतलब हम जो सवाल लेकर जाते हैं उसका जवाब ही हमें मिलता है. पहली बात. और सेकंड मैम, आपने जो प्रोडक्ट का पूछा है, तो यस, मैं रसगुल्ला एंड चिली, मैं दोनों भी हूँ प्रोडक्ट में. क्योंकि छोटे बच्चों के लिए मैंने
ठीक है सरिता मैम, आपने पूरा टाइम ले लिया सारे आंसर्स देने के लिए.
आई एम सॉरी मैम,
क्योंकि टाइम लिमिट तो 6:30 का है. अगर यहाँ से 6:30 के ऊपर हो गया तो सब बोलेंगे कि ये ज्यादा ले रहे टाइम. मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, आधा घंटा और ले लूंगी, लेकिन किसी का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा तो आई कैन कंटिन्यू.
यस, श्योर मैम. आपका लास्ट क्वेश्चन मैम, मेरा जो आपने सोशल वर्कर का मेरा एक सपना है, और एक बड़ा सोशल वर्कर में भी टीचिंग. टीचिंग एक्सपर्ट में बनना चाहती हूँ, क्योंकि अभी जहाँ तक मुझे जो बेस्ट कहा गया है वो मेरा टीचिंग, तो मैं इसमें करना चाहती हूँ मैम।
वेरी गुड। तो आपको क्या चीज रोक रही है?
मैम अभी तो मेरा वर्किंग प्रोसेस में है, मैं जो कर रही हूँ अभी फिलहाल मुझे रोक ये रहा है मैम कि मुझे पता नहीं है कि मुझे जैसे मैं पढ़ाना चाहती हूँ तो मैं कहाँ जाऊँ। जैसे स्लम डेवलप इसमें जाती हूँ तो कैसे पढ़ाना, अभी ये वे नहीं पता है जो मैं उसको मैं ढूंढ रही हूँ।
मिल जाएगा वो। ठीक है। विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम ये सारे क्वेश्चंस आपको करने हैं। ये जब आप क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स आप खुद ढूंढ लोगे तो डेफिनेटली आपको बहुत सारे आंसर्स पता होंगे, या तो फिर ऐसा भी हो जाएगा कि आप वहां पर आकर स्टक हो जाओगे, आपको नहीं पता होगा कि इसका जवाब क्या है, क्या होना चाहिए। तो अगर आपके पास जवाब नहीं है तो इसका मतलब आपको अपने आप को जानना बहुत 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 जरूरी है।
Can you come up? ओके मैम।
ओके, इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो और आप इसको सॉल्व कर लीजिए। अगर आप सॉल्व कर पाते हो, देखिए ट्रू सेल्फ होकर होना है। आपने ऐसा नहीं है कि आप जस्ट आप हाँ लिख रहे हो मैं टीचर हूँ, मैं प्रिंसिपल हूँ, मैं कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ, मेरे हाथ में सब कुछ है, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए।
ओके मैम। यस मैम।
ठीक है, स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिए?
जी मैम। जी मैम।
वेरी गुड। ये आते हैं आपके प्रायोरिटी लिस्ट, ये भी आपको करना है आपके। देखिए हम सबकी कुछ एरियाज हैं और ये सभी इम्पोर्टेंट एरियाज हैं, ठीक है। जैसे हेल्थ है, करियर, बिजनेस है, रिलेशनशिप है, फैमिली है, फाइनेंसेस है, पर्सनल एंड स्पिरिचुअल डेवलपमेंट है, फन एंड लीजर है और पोजीशन है। ये बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट एरियाज ऑफ लाइफ है और आप जानते हो कि जब तक ये इनमें से अगर कोई भी चीज अगर कम ज्यादा है तो हमारे लाइफ में इश्यूज प्रॉब्लम्स होंगे, तो उसको सॉर्ट आउट कैसे करना है। ये अगर आप इनमें से कोई भी एरियाज को फुलफिल नहीं कर पा रहे हो तो यू हैव टू फाइंड योर वे आउट। देखो हेल्थ इश्यूज होते हैं बहुत जन को, तो अगर जैसे आप कौन सी प्रायोरिटी लिस्ट में रख रहे हो, आप अपनी हेल्थ को प्रायोरिटी रख रहे हो या अपने करियर बिजनेस को रख रहे हो या अपने रिलेशनशिप को आप प्रायोरिटी दे रहे हो, आप कौन सी चीज को प्रायोरिटी दे रहे हो। अगर मैं मेरे रिलेशनशिप को प्रायोरिटी दे रही हूँ तो मैं मेरे रिलेशनशिप में क्या चीजों पे ध्यान दे रही हूँ, ये आपको लिखना रहेगा कि पहला क्या है, दूसरा क्या है, तीसरा क्या है। अगर आप अपने फाइनेंसेस को ध्यान में रख रहे हो, आपको फाइनेंसेस कैसे कंट्रोल करने हैं, आपको फाइनेंसेस में क्या करना पड़ेगा, तो आपको वो प्रायोरिटी अगर दे रहे हो तो आपको उसमें क्या कर रहे हो ये आपको मालूम होना चाहिए। आप उसके अंदर कितना वक्त गुजार रहे हो और वो वक्त गुजारने से आपको क्या चीज हासिल हो रही है, ये चीज आपको बहुत जानना जरूरी है। क्योंकि अगर आपके एरियाज ऑफ लाइफ सही नहीं है तो इसका मतलब आपको आपके एरियाज ऑफ लाइफ पे काम करना ही पड़ेगा। जब मेरा ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन नहीं हुआ था तो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन से पहले आई एम वेरी फ्रैंक विद दिस, मेरा छोटा बेटा है, अनफॉर्चुनेटली उसको वो पबजी खेलने की आदत पड़ गई थी। एंड यू नो वेरी वेल कि एक टीचर के घर में अगर एक बच्चा ऐसा थोड़ा जो गेम खेलता है और वो गेम से उसको अगर बहुत स्ट्रेस हो रहा है, वो कंट्रोल नहीं कर पा रहा है, वो गुस्सा कर रहा है, तो एक टीचर के लिए कितनी बड़ी मुश्किल होती है। तो वो आपको जानना जरूरी है कि हम इसको कैसे हैंडल करें। देखो हम ऐसे तो हजारों बच्चों को हैंडल कर लेते हैं, लेकिन हमको हमारे बच्चे किस तरीके से हैंडल करना है ये हमें जानना बहुत जरूरी है। हमारे बच्चे, हमारे बच्चों के लिए हम कोई ये नहीं है, कोई टीचर लीडर वैसे नहीं है, हमारे बच्चे के लिए हम पेरेंट है, सादे पेरेंट है, वो हमें उस तरीके से नहीं लेंगे, तो वो जानना बहुत जरूरी है। तो जब मैंने ये चीजें जानी और जब मैंने बहुत सी बातें ऐसी होती है कि हम हमारे बारे में खुद के बारे में नहीं जानते, जब हम वो चीज जान जाते हैं तो हमें सामने वाले को कैसे हैंडल करना है ये भी आ जाता है। तो अब इट्स वेरी, आई कैन से कि माशाल्लाह माय सन हैज गिव अप दैट PUBG ban तो हो ही गया, but then too he is now very good and now he is in 10th standard almost and he is going for his classes also, he is studying at home also and everything is alhamdulillah going very well. So we need to fix कहाँ पे हमारी चीजें खराब है, उसको फिक्स करना बहुत जरूरी है। अगर आप फिक्स नहीं करोगे तो आपके लाइफ में इम्बैलेंसेस होते ही रहेगा।
ओके मैम,
ये आपको काम करना है इसके ऊपर। देन नाउ जैसे अगर आपने सोच लिया कि कौन सी चीज के ऊपर ध्यान दे रहे हो अभी और कौन सी चीज पे आपको ज्यादा ध्यान देने की जरूरत है, समझ रहे हो? तो पहले वाले स्लाइड में आप ये करोगे कि आप कौन सी चीज पे ध्यान दे रहे हो, लेकिन कौन सी चीज पे आपको ध्यान ज्यादा देना है वो आपको इसमें खुद ही ढूंढना पड़ेगा। अगर ढूंढ पाते हो तो ठीक है, नहीं ढूंढ पाते हो तब भी तुमको कोई तरीका ढूंढना ही पड़ेगा। तो इसका भी आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो, ठीक है? एंड यू हैव टू सॉल्व दिस कंप्लीटली। दिस इज एन एक्टिविटी फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू।
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yes, we come to the next slide. Now ask yourself, are there significant differences between the tasks where you are currently spending too much time or too little time compared to your ideal scenario? वो जो एक्टिविटी है, वो दो एक्टिविटी को जब आप कंप्लीट करोगे तो आपके सामने दो सिनेरियोज आ जाएंगे। एक पर आप कुछ ज्यादा ही फोकस कर रहे हो और एक पर आप बिल्कुल फोकस नहीं कर रहे हो। तब आपको पता चलेगा कि आपको कौन सी एरिया पे अभी फोकस करना है, बट कैसे फोकस करना है, यू नीड टू नो दैट। आपको पता तो चल गया कि आपके पास फाइनेंसेस प्रॉपर नहीं है, आपको पता तो चल गया कि आपका करियर सही नहीं है, तो करियर को ठीक करने के लिए मैं क्या करूं? यू नीड टू नो दैट। सो आस्क योरसेल्फ आफ्टर डूइंग दिस,
Okay.
you have to set your own vision, mission, like many told about that मुझे जो है वो बुक लिखना है, मुझे कुछ लिखना है, या मुझे जो है वो सोशल वर्क करना है। तो ये आपका कुछ एक टारगेट है, समझे? तो आप एक अपना एक स्टेटमेंट बना दो कि ये मेरा विजन है। ड्रीम्स जो होती है वो ड्रीम्स के बेसिस पर ही आपका विजन होता है। तो विजन वो फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन है जहां पर आपको पहुंचना है। अब वो फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन पहुंचने के लिए आप क्या क्या स्टेप्स लेते हो, वो होता है मिशन।
Okay.
This you should know. So you have to design or you have to write your own vision and mission statement you need to work on.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Now here we will discuss little core values. This is very important area of life. सारी problem यहीं से शुरू होती है। If you don't know your core values, your problems will continue. चलते ही जाएगी, वो कभी sort out नहीं होगी। If you don't know your core values at your whatever age you are having right now, that means whatever the difficulties you had faced in your life, that was just because you were not knowing कि मुझे मेरे लिए क्या चीज मेरे लिए important है। ये तो एग्जाम्पल है, यहाँ पर जरूरी नहीं कि ये ही आपके कोर वैल्यूज हो। आपके कोर वैल्यूज हर एक के, यहाँ जितने भी हैं पार्टिसिपेंट, सबके कोर वैल्यूज डिफर करते हैं। किसी के भी कोर वैल्यूज सेम नहीं होंगे। जैसे मेरा कोर वैल्यू था बिलोंगिंग, मॉडेस्टी, अडेप्टेबिलिटी, डिटर्मिनेशन, केयरफुलनेस, ये मेरे कोर वैल्यूज थे। ये पहले मुझे मालूम नहीं थे, लेकिन जब मैं वो प्रोसेस से गुजरी थी, जब मुझे सब वो चीज पता चली थी, तब मैं खुद रियलाइज कर रही थी कि ये मैं इतनी एज होने तक मुझे ये सब चीजें नहीं पता थी। लेकिन जब पता हो जाती है आपको, तो आप कोई भी डिसीजन लेते हो वहां पर आप अपने कोर वैल्यूज को सामने रखते हो और फिर आप देखते हो कि क्या ये डिसीजन मेरा, ये कोर वैल्यूज मेरे सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है। और अगर वो कर रहा है तो आपका डिसीजन करेक्ट होगा, और अगर वो नहीं कर रहा है तो आपका डिसीजन रॉन्ग होगा और आपको जो है वो अनहैप्पीनेस आप फेस करोगे। और डिसीजन अगर उसके अंदर सारे कोर वैल्यूज आपके बैठ रहे तो आप डेफिनेटली यू विल बी हैप्पीएस्ट पर्सन ऑन द वर्ल्ड। देखिए, हमारे लिए जरूरी है खुश रहना, और हम खुश रहेंगे तो हमारे आसपास का एरिया भी खुश रहेगा, सब खुश रहेंगे। आप खुद अपना घर बहुत अच्छे से मैनेज करें। टीचर्स ऐसे इतने इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है सोसाइटी के, क्योंकि टीचर्स को जब तक वो खुद को नहीं जानते, वो अपने बच्चों को नहीं जान सकते, अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स को नहीं जान सकते, अपने स्टूडेंट्स को नहीं जान सकते, अपने वर्क प्लेस के जो कलीग्स हैं उनको नहीं जान सकते। So first you need to know yourself, you need to upgrade yourself, you need to focus on what you are. Don't think यार मेरी अभी इतनी उम्र हो गई, मैं अभी रिटायरमेंट पे पहुंच रही हूँ। किसने कहा है? रिटायरमेंट के बाद क्या करोगे भाई? आप घर में बैठोगे एक कोने में। What are your plans of retirement? You need to make your retirement plans. जिंदगी खत्म नहीं हुई है, जिंदगी जीने के लिए बहुत है। आप एक दिन में भी बहुत सारा काम कर सकते हो। आप एक दिन में भी वो सारी चीजें जी सकते हो जो आपने एक साल में नहीं जिया। तो ये तो सोचो मत कि हम रिटायर हो गए तो सब, रिटायरमेंट के बाद में ऐसा हो सकता है ना, आपकी बहू आएगी, बहू के साथ में आपको कैसे रहना है, how you have to take care of your family, how you have to take care of your grandchildren, what will you do with your grandchildren. So there are many plans. Yes. There is no end for learning. Sure. You need to make out what are your core values, you need to find out. Okay. Then now this will, I will be asking to many of them. Be ready. Can you just please note these all questions? या उसका स्क्रीनशॉट भी लेंगे तो भी चलेगा. The very first question is, what are the 3 new things you found about yourself from the mirror work? So very first I would like to ask Asha ji, unmute कीजिए जरा.
Yes. What are the 3 new things? What are the 3 new things you found out about yourself from the mirror work? I just found out that I, as a human, when I'm true to myself and I'm happiness is just visible when I see in the mirror, that I can see. So I found that I've been I'm satisfied and I'm comfortable with that. Whatever face is reflecting to me, that I'm giving my best. Yes, I can see. And if I look into the mirror, कि आपको किसी बात की कमी तो नहीं है कि आपने देखो ऐसा नहीं करा या ये नहीं करा. मेरा एक्सप्रेशन जब मैं अपने को मिरर में पूछती हूँ तो मुझे जो जवाब मिलता है वो पॉजिटिव मिलता है. I find a positive this thing, because I as a human, if I see even that question, I would take that what is your dream and what are the fears you have, what are the fears behind that. I think I have fulfilled my dream actually, because I got married when I was 12th only, and I was really that I was not independent this thing, and independent economically also, everything, but just I saw the shortcomings कि क्या मुझे किस पे work करना चाहिए. So I found out that economically I should help them. So I joined in a school, though there was not vacancy, but I joined as a helper. Then I got my class teachership. Now I am the coordinator, and for this I overcome so many fears, but finally I was successful for that, and I just got whatever I wanted to achieve. Now I'm in a position that I can help others. So I find a very positive answer whenever I look into the mirror.
Okay, Asha ji,
yes.
You said that you don't have any dreams. Is it?
Dreams just to be a role model for my students.
So how you will be a role model for them?
By becoming a good listener, by conducting my teaching work honestly.
So how you will be means like listener, what conducting means how?
Just all the weak students also, we have to be that patient. I have to be so patient. We have to have for that.
Are you doing something right now for them?
Ma'am, I take extra time for them. Whatever, if I see the children from the weak background.
Being an ideal teacher, you know, it's not a dream, but you know, it's like a everyday activity for us.
Yeah.
It's an everyday activity. It is not a dream.
Okay.
Yeah, it's an everyday activity. As we are teachers, we have to give 100%. We have to be an ideal teacher for every students every day, isn't it? But what is your dream? Here you are not mentioning your dream.
Social worker, to become a
Asha
social
dream.
worker also.
Asha dream. You want to become a
social worker.
Social worker. So you want to become a social worker. So what things are holding you back?
I'm short of time actually.
Why you are short of time?
Because I'm not getting time from my family, my work, my this thing, online teaching especially these days.
Your dream. Your dream, Asha dream. आप सबके ड्रीम्स फुलफिल कर रहे हो, खुद के कब करोगी?
Yes, of course.
कुछ समझे बात को? खुद के ऊपर ध्यान दो. ठीक है. जय श्री जी. मुझे ये बताइए सबसे पहला कि आपने कौन से 3 चीजें इससे सीखे हो मिरर से? What new things you find about yourself?
See, basically, I consider. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, basically, see, whenever the image of a mirror comes in front of you, you say that, okay, mirror is where you share maybe whatever is happening to you, you can speak to the mirror. That's how I feel is the best way of communication.
Okay.
That's one. Secondly is that mirror is a reflection about yourself and your personality.
Absolutely.
And third, you can say is that mirror helps you in learning to communicate not only within yourself, but it becomes an easy platform to communicate with with the others.
Yeah, but what you found about yourself?
This is what I found about. This is what I have been practicing. This is what I found about myself.
So what if you have just 30 days remaining to live on this planet? What is it that you will do to die without regret?
The most important thing is the 30 days would be travel.
Okay.
Okay, travel. Clear off the cupboards so that the others don't have any problems.
Okay. So you are living for others. Okay, fine. मतलब जाना भी है तो सबके लिए सब करके जाना है.
सब कुछ करने के. So they should not say बाबा ये बुद्धि ने कितना कुछ रखे वैसे ही गई है, हमें पता नहीं है किधर कुछ क्या है. Work on your paperwork to see that they don't have a problem.
Okay.
And last and most important thing is live life to the fullest.
Okay. Live life to the fullest. वो तभी होगा जब आप एकदम अंदर से खुश हो जाओगे.
हाँ तो हो जाएगा ना. You don't know.
हो जाएगा ना. हो जाओ.
हो जाओ. वो तो है ही. That's how. That's how. And you know what?
So what is it that you plan to do with your one wild and precious life?
Most important thing is live life for the day.
Okay.
That's the most important thing.
Okay. Okay, so I come to Deepa जी. Deepa आपसे बात नहीं हुई है मेरी बिल्कुल भी. दीपा जी, हाँ बोलिए.
Yes.
आप कैसे लेके जाना चाहोंगी ये तीनों चीजों को?
Ma'am, the first question जो है, can I speak in Hindi?
Yeah, बिल्कुल.
Okay, मैम जो फर्स्ट थिंग है जो मुझे लगता है जब भी मैं बहुत परेशान होती हूँ तो मैं सबसे पहले जाके अपना मिरर में देखती हूँ कि मैं किस चीज से परेशान हो रही हूँ. खुद से बात करती हूँ, उसका सॉल्यूशन निकालती हूँ और अगर वन थिंग और खुद ही उसके ऊपर रिएक्ट करने के बाद जब मेरा एक्शन हो जाता है कि मैंने ऐसा किया, फिर सेकंड मेरे का ऑब्जर्वेशन होता है कि जो मैंने एक्शन किया या जो मैंने सोचा था क्या मैं वैसा कर पाई.
अच्छा.
समटाइम्स नहीं भी कर पाती क्योंकि जो सर्कमस्टांसेस होते हैं वो मेरे फेवर में नहीं होते हैं.
अच्छा.
मेरी अकॉर्डिंग नहीं होते हैं क्योंकि आप जैसे बात कर रहे हो, सामने वाला कैसे बात सुन रहा है, क्या रिएक्शन है, उसने क्या क्वेश्चन किया, आपने क्या रिप्लाई किया, वो अलग चीज आ जाती है.
अच्छा.
क्या मैं उस लेवल तक पहुंच पाएगा, एक चीज ये हो जाती है. थर्ड इसी क्वेश्चन का थर्ड कि मैं सेटिस्फाइड हूँ, अगर नहीं सेटिस्फाइड हूँ तो मुझे क्या करना है. नेक्स्ट टाइम आई ट्राई टू जस्ट फाइंड आउट कि मैं और इम्प्रूव कर सकूँ अपने लिए। एंड द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, 30 डेज अगर मुझे यहाँ रहना पड़े तो मेरा एक ड्रीम है कि मैंने अपने ड्रीम फर्स्ट, एक तो ड्रीम अपना इनरली होता है कि मैं कुछ करना चाहती हूँ, वो मेरा अपना इनरली था कि मैं एक बिजनेस वूमन बनना चाहती थी।
वाओ।
बट वो नहीं बन पाई मैं।
क्यों? ड्रीम है।
तो फैमिली
देखो, we have to find a way out.
वो मैं कर रही हूँ, कोशिश एफर्ट्स कर रही हूँ उसके लिए, अपने लिए कि अब मेरे को एक चांस भी मिल रहा है कि आई जस्ट बिकम जस्ट कम टू इन द बिजनेस विद माय हस्बैंड। एंड मेरा फिर मैंने थोड़ा सा ड्रीम को चेंज किया क्योंकि फैमिली आई, फैमिली में मेरी डॉटर है, उसको मुझे फिर मैंने अपना ड्रीम बनाया कि मैंने इसको सक्सेसफुल बनाना है। जैसे एक इंसान पेड़ लगाता है, उस पेड़ को बड़ा करता है, तो मेरा ड्रीम थोड़ा सा टिल्ट हुआ। फिर जब जैसे थोड़ी वो टेंशन आ चुकी है, अब मुझे लग रहा है कि मुझे थोड़ा सा अब वो इतनी बन चुकी है कि वो शी कैन डू एवरीथिंग, अपने लिए अपने डिसीजन ले सकती है। मैंने इतना बिल्डअप कर दिया। अब मेरे को यह कि मुझे अपने बारे में सोचना है सिर्फ, तो मुझे इसका टारगेट है 12 तक उसको मैं सपोर्ट करूंगी, उसके बाद मैं अपने बारे में सोचूंगी। अब मेरा टाइम आ रहा है कि जस्ट मैं सोचूं अपने बारे में। एक बिजनेस जो मेरा शुरू से रहा था कि मैं बिजनेस एक करूं, तो मैं कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि मैं बिजनेस में आ सकूं। द थर्ड क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज दैट यू प्लान टू डू व्हाट विद योर वन लाइफ, प्रेशियस लाइफ, कि मैं अपनी बेटी के लिए इतना कर जाऊं कि वो हमेशा क्योंकि मेरा ड्रीम सिर्फ उसके चारों ओर घूमता है, पता नहीं क्यों, और कि उसके लिए इतना कर जाऊं कि वो मम्मा जब भी वो याद करे तो उसके वर्ड्स में सिर्फ मम्मा मिले।
ओके, वंडरफुल। अच्छा, अब ये जो 3 क्वेश्चन है मैं 3 लोगों में डिवाइड कर रही हूँ। पहला है कामरान, दूसरा है फराह, तीसरा है सविता। मुझे कामरान जी आप फर्स्ट आंसर देंगे, फराह जी आप सेकंड, एंड सविता जी आप थर्ड आंसर देंगे।
So the first thing, can I?
Yeah, what are the 3 new things you found about yourself from the mirror work?
First, by seeing mirror, we just correct ourselves. Like mirror shows if some dirt or some if you have something on your face, right away you clean. This is the first thing. Like we correct ourselves, I mean to say. The other thing is one interesting thing in mirror, when we see our face, we never hate ourselves.
Yeah, absolutely.
However we look, and people may say we are ugly, I'm ugly, but if I see in mirror, I feel myself beautiful. So as I feel beautiful, I make other I make people to see me as a beautiful person.
Like this slide which I had shown, this is your mirror work slide. इससे आपको बहुत सारा क्लैरिटी मिल जाएगा कि आप कहाँ पे ज़्यादा फोकस कर रहे हो, कहाँ पे कम फोकस कर रहे हो, कहाँ आपको ज़्यादा फोकस करना चाहिए। ये है मेरा जो क्वेश्चंस मैं आपसे कर रही हूँ ना, वो क्वेश्चंस इससे रिलेटेड है। मुझे वो मत बताइए आप मिरर में देख के क्या फील कर रहे हो, मुझे ये बताइए कि ये जो आपने अभी जो स्लाइड्स देखे, वो स्लाइड से आपको क्या समझ में आया। What 3 things you need to do? Because by that time जब मैं सवाल कर रही थी, बहुत सारे लोग अपना अपना असाइनमेंट या ये बोल सकते हैं एक्टिविटी कंप्लीट कर रहे होंगे, कुछ ना कुछ तो लिखे होंगे, कुछ ना कुछ तो सोचे होंगे, तो मुझे वो जवाब चाहिए।
So I'll be work on my health. Alhamdulillah, I'm good in health, but I just want to build up some muscles and to avoid diseases. Basically, it has been noticed we do not follow the practice of exercise. Particularly, I saw in my home also ladies particularly, they don't prefer or they don't do exercise in their homes. So I just prefer, first thing is exercise and work on relationship.
Okay, absolutely. See, this is what I like, the honesty. You should come out, you own. Don't think that who is listening, it has nothing to do with their life,
So relationship, and another is my professional career, like financial, so that I'll be stable and work for and to support others also. So this could be the three things. Inshallah.
Very good. Okay, then next who's Faraji. Faraji, the second question for you. Farah, are you there?
Yeah, if I just have 30 days, then definitely 30 days, I would like to come up as like a, what I can say, travel, definitely travel.
Okay.
Devote more time to my family. And 30 days are really short time. So only this much.
You know what? When we set
the
our
top
outcomes,
priority, yes.
Yeah, when we set our outcomes, you know, we should know that if this is my outcome, what things I have to do. Unless and until you don't set your outcomes, if you get 1 year also, you will not go for your travel. I bet that. You will not go for travel. If you wish to travel in 30 days, if you don't set your outcome, you won't go even if you get 1 year.
Yes,
एक दिन भी अगर मिलेगा और अगर आपने डिसाइड कर लिया है, प्लान कर लिया है, तो आप जाकर ही आओगे. समझे आप?
Yes, so definitely priority is family only if given 30 days. But if you talk about a long-term goal, then definitely I am working on it. I have just taken up a course, an international diploma course. So I'm working on it and I want to be known as a professional. That is something which was left out in my 17 years of marriage. I had to focus on family and my kids, and I have done that. Now I think it's time for me to focus on myself.
Wonderful.
So that thing which I had taken, yes.
Okay, Savita ji, what is it that you plan to do with your one wild and precious life?
Precious life, definitely I would enjoy to the core, no doubt. And wildlife, I'm not getting that actually. Wild, are you? Is it the behavior?
Means आपके लिए वो एक जुनून है, जैसे means life. So how will you take that? It is a wild as well as precious for you. It's not like that wild, but you know when you are more concerned for that, तो वो एक बहुत ही मतलब वो क्या हो जाएगा आपके लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा हद से ज़्यादा important हो
Sorry,
जाएगा.
I don't understand Hindi.
Okay. Madam,
okay, if it is wild, I try to correct it, or else I try to adjust with it.
You will try to adjust.
Yeah. Most probably, I try to correct it. If not, I will adjust to it.
Adjustment in what?
However it is.
Like what I asked, that what is it that you plan to do? Means what will you plan to do?
Okay, I'll just beat a routine or my lifestyle. I'll just plan it accordingly and try to live a smooth life.
Like for example, like Kamran gave the example, like in Mirror, he said that I have to work on my health, work on my relationship.
Exactly, fine, yeah.
So
if it is my health, I'll try to see which part or where I'm lagging in it and try to fix it up.
Okay.
If it is profession too, the same thing. I'll just find out the flaws and try to correct it.
Okay.
I think the same is applicable for everything.
Do you? I don't think. Okay. Madhuri, Jayanti, Anjali. Madhuri, Jayanti, Anjali, please unmute yourselves. I don't know whether they are present or not. Jaya. Okay.
Yes, I'm there.
Okay. Yeah. Jaya, any question would you like to take on this?
I would say the last one, I want to go on a world tour.
Wow.
Hopefully, I would try my best to do that.
Wonderful. And Jayanti, are you there? No. So last, you cannot have a meaningful life without having self-reflection. This is very, famous quote given by Oprah Winfrey. I'm following her, and I like her quotes and what her life story. You can, if you go through it, you will really feel that what type of personality she is. So she said that you cannot have a meaningful life without having a self-reflection. Unless you know yourself, you can't have a meaningful life. So this was all about this. If you want to connect, this is again my profile I'd already shared. And I am even in MTT group also. I'm attached to it last so many years, like before who was the founder, and later on the co-founder Rishabh sir was there. But I'm attached to it last so many years.
Yes, ma'am. Obviously, like each and every participants learned, enjoyed, and this activity loaded session, and this activity made the participants to explore more about their true self. And thank you, Nasheed, ma'am, for this.
Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am. And I will also like to thank all the participants for staying connected in this webinar, in this fruitful session. Thank you and have a nice day.